Derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derp
This is an introduction of the Cartesian plane and how to plot points. So before we start, let's familiarize the key points we have to remember. When we have the coordinate plane. Actually, this is the graph itself. This includes the x and y axis. Next, the coordinates, also known by many as the ordered pair. So these are the points in the Cartesian plane. So if I put a point here, this is a coordinate. Then we have the origin. This is found at the center of a Cartesian plane where the x and y axis intersect. As mentioned earlier, we have the x and y axis. X-axis is the horizontal line. Everything from the right is positive. And everything from the left is negative. Y-axis is a vertical line. Everything above the origin is positive, while everything below the origin is negative. Next, we have to learn about the quadrants. From the word, we can see quad, which means cuatro in Spanish or four. The Cartesian plane is divided into four parts: quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. So one tip to remember is the quadrants go clockwise, or form a C in the four quadrants. So if I place this point here, it means it's the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant. You might have asked, what if I put this here? Just remember this. If a coordinate is on the x or y axis, it doesn't belong to any of the four quadrants. Now you've learned a lot so far, like the Cartesian plane and its different parts. Let's learn how to plot some points. A coordinate or an ordered pair always has two numbers. First number tells you the x-axis, for example, positive 2. Second number tells you the y-axis, for example, positive 3. Plotting point starts at the center. From the origin, count 1, 2. There you have your x. Since y is positive, I'm gonna move up to 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we have ordered pair. Done. Our second point. Once again, first number tells you where to go along the x-axis. Example, negative 4. This time we're going left because it's negative. Negative 2 tells you where to go along the y-axis. Since it's negative 2, we're going down this time. Now that I have both movements, that's where we plot our point. Looking at this point, we can see that it doesn't belong to any quadrant, but it belongs on the negative y-axis. This ordered pair is written as 0 for x and negative 4 as y. Still remember, when the points are in the first quadrant, the x is positive, the y is positive. If it's in second quadrant, negative, positive. In the third quadrant, negative, negative. Fourth quadrant, positive, negative. There you have it. You learned the Cartesian plane's parts and how to plot points. If you want to review, go back again and play the video and pause. Thank you for watching.